Horses and we have absolute pass to begin, time away and Ori outside Isobel, then followed over by Remind Me. Puma comes next, Hello, wherein Hello Kamikaze, then followed by number 4 Art Attack, and Plain and Simple is the early trailer. Absolute and Ori outside is Isobel. Isobel takes the lead, then Ori inside, second is Absolute, 2 lengths for the back. In third comes Remind Me, time away in fourth, Hello, wherein Hello in fifth, then followed in 6 by Kamikaze. Puma comes next, Plain and Simple, and Art Attack racing in last. Once again regains the lead. Absolute and Arias is Isobel, joining them in third is time away. Remind Me in fourth, then followed over now by Kamikaze. Hello, wherein Hello, Puma, Art Attack, and Plain and Simple. We have Absolute. Isobel is on the outside once again. Fights on, takes the lead by about 3/4 of a length. Down on the inside is Absolute, moving up. Hello, wherein Hello as they come down at the last 150. We have Isobel, and on the outside is Hello, wherein Hello. Down on the inside Absolute, but it's still Isobel, followed by Hello, wherein Hello. Time away, Isobel, Hello, wherein Hello. Down on the inside is Absolute, and hitting the finish line, it's going to be Absolute close. Isobel, number 6, time away. Hello, wherein Hello. Then comes Kamikaze.
Gandang karera ng ating race number 1.
Ano lang talagang diskartehan na lang nangyari dito sa karera.